If you're a creator still trading time for money, this is going to hurt. Because there's a side hustle right now that requires no face, no team, no inventory, and the setup takes less than 10 minutes. Let me explain. Most creator income models are broken. Sponsorships need massive audiences. AdSense pays pennies. Freelancing burns you out. Courses take months to build. Every single one trades time for money. More work, more income. Stop working, income stops. But there's one side hustle that breaks this completely. Selling AI prompts. And here's why this is different from everything else. If you're a creator using AI for ads, visuals, videos, anything, you already have the inventory. Those prompts you perfected, that's not a notes folder, that's a product line. Now here's where it gets interesting. There's a platform called On-Prompt Ads built specifically for this, and they've made it stupidly easy. Feature 1. You get your own creator profile page. Think Instagram, but for prompts. All your prompts in one place. Your own URL, your own storefront. One link, all your prompts. Share it anywhere. Feature 2. Instagram import. You connect your Instagram, any post you made, image or reel, you can import directly as your prompt media. No re-uploading, no starting from zero. Just select the post, add your prompt text, set a price, done. Your existing Instagram content becomes your prompt library in minutes. Feature 3. Free Auto DM. This is the one that changes everything. You know those Auto DM tools creators use? ManyChat and others? They charge $20 a month. On-Prompt Ads gives it to you free. Here's how it works. You set up Auto DM on any of your Instagram posts. Someone comments on that post. Within seconds, they get a DM with your prompt link from On-Prompt Ads. Automated, instant, free. And here's the killer part. You can set it to require a follow first. User has to follow you before they get the DM. Thousands of creators have used this exact strategy to gain millions of followers. Followers plus income. Same system, zero extra cost. So let me paint the picture. You create an AI generated ad. Post it to Instagram. Caption says, comment prompt to get this. Someone comments. Auto DM sends them your on-prompt ads link. They pay, you earn. You didn't answer a single DM manually. You didn't paste anything in comments. The system handled everything. Meanwhile, your follower count is growing because they had to follow you first. That's not a side hustle. That's a machine. Now multiply this across 10 posts, 20 posts, 100. Every post becomes a potential income stream. Every comment becomes a potential sale. Every sale grows your profile. This compounds. Here's what I want you to do. Go to onpromptads.com. Register. Connect your Instagram. Import your best post. Add your prompts. Set up Auto DM. You can have your first prompt live in under 10 minutes. Because in 2026, the creators winning aren't working harder. They're building systems that work for them. No face, no team, no $20 monthly tools. Just on-prompt ads. Start now.